We'll guide you through how to send an email from a mobile for beginners. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. So an email is a great way of going and sending something to a colleague, a friend, or family member perhaps. You can go and attach files to them and do different things with them. So we're going to guide you through how this can be done on your mobile. Make sure it's this full guide and we're going to guide you through how this can be done. As well as sending, you can also go and receive as well. So to go and get started, we need to go and find the mail app. So the mail app is Gmail. So what you can do is you can go and swipe up on your phone and search for it at the top. Otherwise, you may be able to go and find it in the Google folder. As you can see, there it is. Now, it's likely when you go and open it up, you're going to already have a Gmail inbox here, because when you go and signed up to go and use your phone with a Google account, that goes and includes a Gmail account. So you can go and get started with using that. If there isn't an account here, you can go and sign in with an account, and you can actually go and add different email accounts from on here as well. So you can go and press the profile icon in the top right. And then what you can do is you can go down here and press add another account. To go and access that, you may need to go and expand the switch account, and then you can see add another account. This will open up and you can choose the provider you use, whether it is another Gmail or Google, Outlook, Yahoo, Exchange, or you can press other as well. So you can go and choose the account here and then log into it. And you can then go and switch to it by pressing the profile icon in the top right, and you can then go and see it in the account there and you can switch to it. So when it comes to then sending an email, you can go and press compose in the bottom right, and you can then go and choose who it's to. So you need to go and type in their email. The email is unique, so everybody's got a different email. So you need to go and ask the person you wanted to email for it, or you may go and have it somewhere written down, or you need the email for this to go and work. So I'm going to go and type in an email now. I'll go and select this one here. Then what you can do is you can go and add in a subject. So this is like the title for the email. Then you can go and type in the main body. So tap there and you could type in, hi there, I hope you're well, and you go and get the idea. Write it out as you'd want to. Then what you can do is you can go to the top right and press the paperclip, and you can go and attach photos. You can open up the camera, add files, and use the drive as well if you wish. And you can press the 3 lines in the top right, and you've got some different options there as well. And then to send it, you press the paper plane icon like so, and it's then going to be sent. That's it.